Hi guys, now in this video I'm talking about a powerful software that can make you manage your social media smarter just by scheduling posts. Now this is a powerful social media management platform that enables individual, agency, startup to automate, control their social media accounts from a single centralized dashboard. Now, like I said, this operation is very streamlined, it's very easy, saves time, boosts, productivity, all of them in one dashboard. So I'm going to show you a demo walkthrough of how this software works, how you can install it, what you need, and how it will be ready in 48 hours. Like I said, if you're just for the first time, please ensure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share this video. Now, like I said, with this software, you can manage Facebook posts, for example, social media posts, Instagram, Twitter, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, etc. in one dashboard. Like I said, it has advanced scheduling option that which is the most important part, which is the beauty part, is that it is a one-time payment for a lifetime access. Now let's log into the admin dashboard. What it means is that you can set it up for yourself, for your business, for your company, and you don't have to pay twice. You are paying once and you own it for life. So now this is the admin dashboard of how it looks like. If you have a success rate of posts, how you can cause posts, schedule posts across all social media handles. Like I said, it's useful for individuals, even agency, to manage multiple accounts, and it has option for you to turn it as a SaaS in the sense that you can collect subscription from users. They pay you to use this platform, or you can decide to use as an agent, and of course get paid at the end of the month. Yeah, so you can see option for publishing, AI publishing, blog posts, RSS schedule, link the channels, AI content, files, assign teams to handle the account. So it's easy. If you want this done for your business, it's just contact me via details on the screen, and I'll help you set it up for an affordable fee and to be ready for the hour. So what do you need to set this done? You need the cPanel. You need to create database where the files will be stored on. Also, this is where you upload the file manager, where you upload the script. When once purchase it, you upload it and you set it up, connect it to the database, and have it. But if you have issues with this, please contact me via the details on the screen, and I'll help you do the installation without any worries, without any issues. So now, if you're a social media manager, this is the best software for you. And if you're a social media agency that you manage people multiple accounts, this is the best software for you to cause posts, schedule posts without an ease. You can run a post for tomorrow, post for next tomorrow. You can run them down on this platform, and you can rest your mind, and the post will be shared across to any platform that you link it to. So if you have any questions, drop that in the comment section. I'll answer to that, and I see you in my next video. You've been blessed. Bye bye.